What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody is having a swell evening. Today is going to be a update on seeing how much my computer has made mining Dogecoin. Technically, we're not mining Dogecoin, we're mining Monero and getting paid out in Dogecoin through Unminable. This is not sponsored, no referral link, nothing like that. It's just a little bit of data. So the CPU in question is a Core i7-10750H laptop CPU. It's a 6-core, 12-thread. Nothing special. Don't have it overclocked, nothing like that. Just have it propped up so that way it gets a little bit of airflow underneath it. I have been using my computer and letting it run in the background. So I know that does skew results a little bit, but this might give somebody a good representation of letting it run in the background and using your computer, what you would actually do or what you would actually earn, so to speak. So yeah, this isn't me advocating running out and getting Unminable, but I have enjoyed Unminable. I've used it in the past, and I've definitely made some money on there. It's not gonna get you rich. Well, maybe, probably not. But anyway, let me flip this around and show you what we're working with. All right, so the miner is running here. I was watching YouTube and my hash rate drops down to about 1,000 or 900. Effective hash rate, like average hash rate, it's about 1,000. So not horrible. Balance is 1.9. I've been mining for a couple days now, and you can actually click on your address. This is the miner window. You can click on your address, it'll bring you to here. Then you can click on stats and you can see that our total balance 1.9, referral balance 0, so none of that is referrals. Past 24 hours reward is a little over half of a Dogecoin. That's not great, but it does give me an idea of what you're doing. So if you don't know what's going on, you can go through here, see your stats, and then get your readout. Now we can't get a payout till we hit 30 Doge, so at our current rate of half a Doge a day, that's gonna be about 60 days. If we go over here to Doge price, currently 1 Doge is 6.3 cents. So that means my computer had mined about 3.15 cents in a day. It probably would have mined a good amount more if I wasn't using it. I use it in the morning, I use it about midday, and then I use it in the evening. So I'd say somewhere around about 30% of the time I'm using it, give or take. Obviously I don't use it when I'm sleeping, and I don't use it while I'm out on job sites. But yeah, so hopefully you guys like this kind of thing, like seeing data. I'm gonna visit back to phone farming. We've been phone farming now for almost a solid week. I've had a lot of issues trying to keep certain phones running. Certain phones have no issues, but yeah, that's a whole another problem in itself. So we're gonna let this bad boy keep on mining some unminable, but I am going to switch over to using the GPU. So we are going to go back here, change it to the graphics card, and we're going to be doing the T-Rex NV miner. We're going to be mining some kapow on the Doges. It's not loading. There we go. Kapow. So I'll let that bad boy spin up, and then here in maybe a few days, we'll revisit that and see how mining with the GPU, which this has a 1660 or a GTX 1660 Ti. They used to be significantly more profitable than the CPU, but now it's actually not significantly more profitable. My, how the tides have turned. Anyway, thank you guys for coming out. I appreciate y'all. I'll see you on the next one. Adios, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see this hash rate spin up a little bit. Might help that I don't have a bunch of things open in the background. But all right, I'm gonna call it. Y'all have a good night. Peace.